The Pixel 7 has leaked countless times over the past few weeks, with the phone set to make its debut at Google I/O next week. Now, Google has officially teased the Pixel 7 and confirming its release date as more leaks confirm the specs and colors. In a tweet, Google India confirms that the Pixel 7a is coming without calling out the phone by name, but the teaser is quite clear. We see a slightly blurred image of the phone that shows off the blue color variant we've seen countless times at this point. This teaser confirms two things. For one, the Pixel 7 will be available in India at launch, which is great to see given past absences and delays in the region. But beyond that, this teaser also confirms the Pixel 7 release date. It has even given a sneak peek at Pixel 7 in sky blue color. The design language is very similar to the premium dual-camera model Pixel 7. As per previous reports, the phone will be available on May 11, though pre-orders are still expected to open in regions including the US on May 10. In the US, the Pixel 7a is expected to get a slight price bump, which will likely apply in India as well. Beyond the teaser, which confirms the Pixel 7 release date, other leaks are further confirming details about Google's upcoming release. Roland Quant this morning leaked a batch of Pixel 7 marketing materials, which include renders of the phone, spec rundowns, and other images that detail Pixel 7 features. This includes showing Tensor 2 and its associated features such as clear calling and photo unblur, while other images highlight Google's ecosystem of devices and the addition of wireless charging. The new Google phone will feature a 6.1-inch Full HD Plus OLED screen with support for a 90Hz refresh rate and face unlock feature via the front camera. Inside, it is expected to house Tensor T2, same as seen in Pixel 7 and 7 Pro, with 8 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, 128 GB storage, and a 4400 mAh battery with 20 watts wired charging speed and 5 watts wireless charging capability. Also, it will run pure vanilla Android 13 out of the box and will get 3 years of Android software support. As far as the photography hardware is concerned, it is said to come packed with a dual camera module 64 megapixels with optical image stabilization, with an ultra-wide 12 megapixels sensor with LED flash on the back. And it will also come with a 10.8 megapixels wide camera sensor on the front. The Pixel 7 started at $600 last year, and these days it almost always carries some discount. The Pixel 7a is expected to cost $500, which is $50 more than the 6a before it. That's not unexpected given the major upgrades on the new model. There are also speculations that Google may unveil a new Pixel Fold, Pixel tablet along with new updates on Android 14 and Google Apps at the Google I/O 2023 Developers Conclave. So what are your thoughts about this new upcoming Pixel 7 device? Share your thoughts below in the comment section, and if you enjoyed the video, then a sub to the channel will be massive, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.